Hi everyone, coming back at you today. I just want to really quickly give you some tips on maybe using Cami. I know some of you are struggling maybe with Cami because the writing is hard. You don't necessarily have to write. So let me show you a couple of things. Today, obviously, you watched the video, hopefully, and now you're going to start your homework assignment. And it comes up on Cami. Okay, and what some of you are struggling with is writing on Cami with your finger, right? Using the touch screen on your screen because truly, honestly, that can be hard. Now, maybe it's not so hard to just draw a line, but if I had to use my finger to write everything, I might find that difficult. So there's a lot of other tools that you can use. So maybe instead of using your finger, there's shapes, and if I needed to pick a shape, and I could circle these things, right, to show that I'm combining them. And then I can use my text box, and 2x minus 8x, or 2x plus negative 8x, is negative 6x. Okay, so this t over here is a text box, so I can type it rather than write it. I can change the size of it if I want to make it bigger so it's easier to see. Okay, and so I have that. And then I can put my equal sign in. I can just clicking around equals 12. And you can move them. You can adjust your things to where you need them to be. I can move this over. Okay. Back under shapes, there's a line. So if you want to draw a line, I'm going to divide. I'm going to divide both sides, and I'm going to divide by negative 6. I'm going to divide here by negative 6. And then finally, I'd have my answer, and x equals negative 2. And I just have typed everything in rather than having to write it with my finger. But I still showed all my work, and you can still see everything there. So if that would help you, maybe that's a better way. For some of you, writing it with your finger works just fine, but this might be a little easier for you to do. So try that instead if you're struggling to write with your finger. It's not going to take that much time because it should be pretty quick. It's not an extreme amount of problems. It's only 3 problems. But that may definitely help some of you keep your work a little bit more organized and have all of that on there. So that's that. Hopefully that helps a little bit. Have a good day.